Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to unlink Facebook from PUBG. To unlink Facebook from PUBG, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to make sure that the Facebook is completely up to date. Otherwise, you could go to your respective app store and update it so as well. After completely updating the Facebook application, then open the app and log in to your account. So once logged in, this is where the interface will take you. What next you need to do is here on this page, tap on the menu bar from the top right, scroll down a bit, go to settings and privacy. Once again, tap on the settings button. This is going to take you to the field. Now next, what you have to do is scroll down a bit and look for apps and website. So under your activity, there you have apps and website, click that out. And as soon as you click on apps and website, you could find a list of accounts linked to your Facebook. So similarly, you have to go and remove PUBG by tapping on it. Now I do not have PUBG at the moment. So all you need is just tap on the remove button, confirm it. And this way you'll have successfully unlinked Facebook from PUBG. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.